just want to have fun, relax and socialize with your girlfriends. Your girls' night out or mom's day out. We usually go out for lunches and cocktails and go shopping together. Maybe we do creative things like take a class together or play with makeup together. And then there is this genre of crafts party. Tanna and I got really into it. It's an amazing thing. How often you stop by, like a crafts or art supplies shop for whatever, and you see some amazing things there that you just want to have in your apartment. You want to play with those things, but you know for a fact you're not going to, do those crazy crafts on your own. But they can be a theme for your next crafts party, where you and your friends can all get little bits here and there and organize an event where you can actually do something with your hands, enjoy, give all these toys to your inner child and celebrate and have amazing, girly and inexpensive fun. And if whatever craft you're doing came out well, then you have potentially a unique, amazing gift for a friend or a family member. Tanna and I are huge fans of hats, mostly cocktail hats and Easter bonnets. Here you see two of us on our way to a festive artsy party event in New York City wearing our fabulous hats. So we thought of a fascinator making party. Also, our friend Andy was getting married. She had a destination wedding with a number of events and she was planning to wear a fascinator at some of them. Fascinator is a clip, or it can be a hat mounted on a clip. Cocktail hat has a base. Fascinator doesn't have a base, and for that reason it's really easy to make. It's basically just only decor with no base. You need a clip and various fun elements to decorate. It was a terrific, very enjoyable event. Nothing better than occupy your hands and mind with something creative, light, fun, enjoy your friends, laugh, relax. And if your lifestyle is stressful like mine, you want to look forward to something relaxing and fun in advance. A simple, inexpensive party like this allows you to do some planning and to enjoy any elements you want to throw in. You can make some snacks or dessert, you can decorate your place, anything. My point is, it's not just event in itself, but also the fact that you are preparing and maybe thinking about it will give you an opportunity to relax and enjoy for days or maybe even weeks in advance.